So I had quite a few friends who either were working with Reliable or who had worked with Reliable in the past. So I'd heard quite a few good things beforehand. Being local was pretty huge as well. Wanting to stay on the island, being near family, being near friends, that sort of thing was pretty important to me. I got treated just like any other employee, so I got to fail. I got to learn things. Just getting to see that process, working with real customers, working with real products. All of my previous experiences had been just kind of isolated, do some code and give it to somebody else and they ship it. And then I never hear about it again. So it was very interesting getting to see how to actually troubleshoot a problem in the field without having access to it and trying to debug things like that I'd never had experience with before. Yeah, it's very important to be able to fail. If you're not failing, you're not going to learn. So, and understanding that it is okay to do that is huge. So, getting that opportunity to see my code not work, have someone there to kind of show me what I had done wrong, how I could prevent that sort of thing in the future, really helped me grow to make sure that I was able to produce quality code later. They were very supportive for me, so I still had a couple courses I had to complete at UVic. I continued working with Reliable as a part-time employee, so I was able to continue working, still kind of keep those relationships going with the company while doing classes and labs at the university, and was able to still kind of pay my bills and everything too. Yeah, again, it was a very friendly environment. Being treated just like any other employee as a co-op kind of got me to experience the culture here, kind of participating in all the social events, getting to go to Christmas parties, getting to go to ski trips, all those sorts of things. We were just another employee that was part of the family. Make sure you have an open mind. It's very easy to kind of get started, and it's very easy for people to kind of get into a state where they're afraid to ask for help because they want to look like a hero right from the get-go. It's okay to ask questions. Like I keep saying, it's okay to fail. It's encouraged to fail. You want to make sure that you're able to realize or learn from your mistakes, though, is the important part there. So, as long as you understand you can lean on your team to help you out when it's necessary, they will be there for you.